Hey everyone, it's Genexo Plans, and today I'm going to use the Planner Society January kits to make some dashboards for my standard size TN. I'm just going to make 3 dashboards, and I already cut the papers down to size, and then here I'm just going to show you how I'm layering, and I'm taking some of the die cuts from the kit, and I'm just going to embellish it with that. I also have one of these little punches, and so I just take some gold foil paper, and I'm just going to cut a little branch. It's like a sprig of leaves, and I thought that was really pretty. The gold really works so well with these patterns and colors. I thought that was fun, so I'm just going to go ahead and layer and glue everything down. And then I'm going to use some of the washi, and I'm going to use that at the corner of the paper. And then I'm going to find some gold trim from my stash, and I'm going to add that as well at the bottom of the page, and I really like how this one turned out. I thought it was really cute. Next, I'm going to move on to my next dashboard, and I have one of these doilies from my stash, and I'm just going to start layering some more of these cute die cuts that come in the kit. And there's a stack of washi and a little clipboard that says "Oh So Lovely." And I took some of the pattern paper and I made my own tag. And I'm just taking some distress inks, and I'm just going to edge the edges of the tag, just because I just wanted it to kind of stand out a little bit instead of just blend in with the white doily in the background. So I just like the depth that it kind of makes there. And I can't have a tag without having twine in the hole of the tag. I don't know why. So I always just grab some twine from my stash, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to my tag. And then I'm going to start gluing everything down. And then I also grab a little a chipboard heart gold foiled sticker from my stash, and I'm going to embellish with that as well. For my third and final dashboard, I am going to layer some burlap fabric, or I don't know what you would call this material, that I have in my stash, and I'm just going to layer some of the pattern papers, and it's like a 2x2 or a 3x3 little card that comes in the stash, and I loved the little quote on there. And so I'm going to start gluing everything down, and then the kit also comes with these fun scalloped edge stickers and bows. And so I'm going to stick one of the bows there in the corner, and then I'm just going to take a foiled chipboard arrow from my stash and embellish it with that. I kept it pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please check out my links below for more inspiration for my planner. Thanks so much for watching.